Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple beard trimmer. You need a simple comb and a double-edged razor blade. Actually, you only need half of a razor blade, so you just have to break it in half and use half of it. Then you just have to attach the razor blade to the comb using a paper clip. And there you have it, a simple homemade beard trimmer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.